Well, it is officially time to dig this trench and run some power to this house. Golly. Woo! Let me go to a spot where I won't accidentally jack something up. We'll see if this thing works at all. I don't know where I want it to go. Something feels a little crunchy in there. Let's check it out. Is that just how the mechanism works? Yeah, I think it's just the gears. But I need to trench from over here. But first things first, absolutely most important, make sure that's off, which it is. And I should probably take out this fence. Looks like I'm not gonna have any trouble doing it. So I'm gonna take care of that fence real quick. I should move this lift too, so I can get a nice, clean, straight shot. And then, it's trench time. It's trenching time. All right, well, I'm here, and it's pretty late, if you can't tell. Caden is coming to meet me here, the electrician, and we're gonna get a little bit of work done, I think, on the main hookups. So hopefully we can get those done enough. We got the main underground lines ordered, so those should be in kind of soon, and then we'll be able to get power back on in here. So I finally got the trench pretty much dug. A couple spots where it might need to be deeper. But what's nice is over here I'm gonna bring up the grade more, so we will have a little forgiveness, for lack of a better term there. I also did a little work on the 700 truck. Sorry, I look a little scary. Let me show you that. So the existing headlights on this thing were pretty ghetto, so I put some new ones in. They were pretty cheap online, actually. I just threw in some LED ones. I tested them out earlier, but it was the middle of the day, so let's test them out while it's dark so we can see how well these guys actually work. Oh yeah, there's our high beams. Oh, there's our high beams. No high beams. Well, that's great. I'll run that down if you want.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy enough, a carpenter can do it. Pretty much just get it as deep as it'll go.
Resistance, I don't know if we're hitting something, but...
Does this need to be above finished grade?
Below.
Below finished grade?
Yeah, just like barely sticking out.
Okay, sweet. Because I'll probably bring the ground up to, I mean, you can kind of see like where the paint was.
Then you can pretty much be done. I mean, maybe a little bit more.
So do you need one for the splice and one for the box?
These two?
Yeah.
No, it's both gonna be from the panel.
Okay.
It's basically for lightning, or like.
But then is it just like after a certain amount you need multiple,
you
or?
Need 2 ground rods at least 6 feet apart.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
All right, so last night, me and Caden, and by me and Caden, I mean pretty much just Caden and I watched, got the underground line run all the way to the house. So now I've got some power inside, And now this morning, I'm getting this trench filled in. So Luis, who's one of my coworkers, is running the skid right now. He's backing it all in there. We'll get this puppy filled in.